Reverse capacity. Reserve duration for H7 is 125 to 135 minutes, and reserve duration for 94R is 135 minutes. It is difficult to choose one of these batteries based on this parameter. This is due to the practically identical reserve capacities of these two batteries. Since you can settle with either of these, you should pick the 94R battery because its voltage and amperage are higher. Weight. The H7 battery is 51 pounds, and the 94R battery is 57 pounds. The H7 pack is not the choice in terms of weight. Here, it's crucial to take weight into account along with other factors. The amperage should be one of these parameters. Cold cranking amps. H7 has a capacity of about 750 amps, and 94R battery has 630T0920 amps. H7 is hence ideal for small passenger cars. For commercial vehicles, the amperage is minimal, so this is why commercial cars do not use this battery. While the 94R battery has a range of 620 to 920 amps, and because of the higher amperage rating, it can be used with many different types of automobiles. Compatibility. The H7 battery is typically used by makers of private vehicles. Ford, Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, and more come to mind. Such a battery is seldom ever found in commercial cars. Meanwhile, the 94R battery is the most widely used of all. Both passenger and commercial cars contain this battery, considered the most adaptable battery available. H7 is for private vehicles, and 94R is for all vehicles. Upon compatibility, the 94R is superior. Size. When you consider the H7 battery's typical size, it is about 7.5 by 7 inches by 12.5. This may appear to be quite little, but you also need to consider the 94R battery's size. It won't be any simpler for you to select the ideal battery until you take a closer look at both. The 94R pack is 7.5 inches by 7 inches by 12.5. To put it simply, there really is no difference in relative size.